All right, so I'm trying to show you guys how you are going to be downloading your infographic and then how to save it to your computer, add it to your questions, then for you to finally submit your questions with the infographic to me through Canvas. Okay, so I'm on Canva where you're going to make your infographic. I'm done editing. I'm going to go ahead and download my Canva. Leave it in the PNG format. It's fine. Download. It's going to take a little while to go ahead and download. All right. Once this pops up, you're going to click Save File. It's fine. Go ahead and save it. All right. Now, if you are on Firefox, it's going to pop up right here. If you're on one of the other ones, it may pop up at the bottom to say to open or so, but you're going to click here in Firefox, click on Natural Disasters PNG. Here it is. If it pops up in Paint, you need to go ahead and click here, Save As, and save it to your pictures. All right. Some of you will have it, it'll pop up and it will say, press OK. And it will already be in your documents. Just go ahead and drag it over to your pictures because essentially you want your picture in your pictures. All right. Press X because you already saved it. We're going to go ahead and go to our Word document. So our severe weather web quiz. I'm at the bottom. And that's where I want yours to be. So after the summary, you're going to click it and you're just going to click Insert, Pictures, and your picture should be in your picture folder. There's 2 of them because I've done this before. If you're over here, you can easily click on Pictures, and it will take you to this box. All right. Click on Natural Disasters, insert the picture. It will just nicely insert inside there for you. Save. Go ahead and press Save. Or if you've never saved it before, because I know some of you guys tend to save it wherever you want to save it, you're going to click on Save As, double click on this PC, click on Documents. Oh, sorry. For this one, you're going to click on OneDrive. Click on OneDrive and save. I'm not going to save it because I don't want to save that. Click Save so you can save it. All right. So now you can minimize your Word document. Now, let's talk about sending it, putting it on Canvas. So it's actually going to be a little bit different how we're going to submit this time. This is a key component to this video because I need you guys to see how I did this. So when you're inside of your, oh, sorry, ignore this website. This is my nursing stuff. So when you're on Canvas and you're inside your discussions, you're going to notice and you're inside your discussions, you're going to click on, oh, wait, this is not mine. This is another student. Are you freaking kidding me? Who's this? Oh, this is mine. Interesting. Anyways, all right, click on Natural Disasters web quest. Sorry, guys. And you are going to scroll down to the bottom right here where it says reply. This is where you submit your work. Click on reply and a text box will appear. So now the problem is on mine, I'm going to show you guys this. On mine, it has this little button here that says attached. On yours, you do not have this attach button. So therefore, I thought that you could attach your documents and it be the end of that, but it doesn't have that feature on yours. So this Microsoft Office 365 is actually how you guys will give me your document. But the problem is right now, but right now, Microsoft Office 365 does not have your document. All right, so I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So a lot of you should already be familiar with your webmail. So if you're not, you need to know how to get there. So if you go to your St. Lucie County website, you scroll all the way at the bottom, like all the way. See this blue bar? That's where it is. So click on Student Webmail. Right. Come on. All right, so once you click on Student Webmail, go ahead and click on OneDrive. So if you are already logged into your webmail, go ahead and click these buttons here and click on OneDrive. So click on OneDrive. And you are going to upload your document into OneDrive. And the way you do that is it's going to appear here at the top, right here, upload. Click upload, click files, and then you go to it, OneDrive, and then boom, there's a severe weather web quest. Click it, open, and it will upload into here. All right. So let's pretend it uploaded into here. That's fine. Now you can go back to your discussion board, click on Microsoft Office 365 because now we have it inside of our OneDrive. So now when this loads, it's going to ask for you to sign into your OneDrive, to your Microsoft Office 365. It's easy. It's the same 56 number and lunch number that you always sign in with at stlucieschools.org. Once you log in, it's going to take you to something that looks just like mine, like this, and your document should be right there because you just uploaded it right here. So if you notice, it's the same exact thing. OneDrive, attachment documents, notes. OneDrive, attachment documents, notes. See, it's the same exact thing. So you're going to click on your document. So let's say I click on this. Make sure you check that box. So I check the box so attached files can pop up. If you don't check that box, it won't pop up. You can't just click it. You have to check the box. See, and it pops up. So attach file, and then, so if I attach file, if you look inside your text box, it'll have, oops. Well, probably because that was a Excel file and you can't really upload Excels here. But anyways, if you do it, let me actually try to show you what it does. Thank you. Checkbox, attach file, it'll load, and it'll attach it, you see? And that's a link that I can click on. You post reply, done, you're finished. You gave me your questions, you have your infographic in there, you've attached it to here, you've replied, it's there, it's done, you're done. Fabulous. Remember, this is due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. That's all for now, guys.